In real estate, there's a saying, don't just buy the house, buy the location. The Vale City View is one of those locations that checks all the right boxes. It's strategically positioned right opposite our prestigious Sunnyvale Homes estate in the city of Abuja. That means you are in a community that's already thriving with infrastructure and amenities all around you. From 2-bedroom terrace duplexes to 3-bedroom detached duplexes. Every unit here benefits from the value of a neighborhood, and that means your investment doesn't just give you a home, it gives you growth. Discover available units at the Vale City View today with Net Construct Nigeria Limited.